Welcome to Veracruz, a state on the Gulf Coast of Mexico, where vibrant life unfolds in breathtaking diversity. Known for its rich landscapes, ancient cultures, and fascinating history, Veracruz is a paradise for nature lovers and adventurers. From sun-kissed shores to misty mountain peaks, Veracruz offers a journey through myriad ecosystems, each teeming with unique life. Join us as we explore the hidden gems and secrets of this Mexican paradise.
Our journey begins on the sun-drenched shores of Veracruz, where the Gulf of Mexico meets a coastline of remarkable beauty. The golden sands stretch as far as the eye can see, inviting visitors to bask in the warmth of the sun and the gentle caress of the ocean breeze. This is a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the natural splendor that surrounds you. The beaches of Veracruz, like Costa Esmeralda, beckon sunbathers and beachcombers alike. Here, the rhythmic sound of the waves provides a soothing soundtrack to your day, while the soft sandy shores offer the perfect setting for relaxation and recreation. Whether you're building sandcastles with your family, taking a leisurely stroll along the water's edge, or simply soaking up the sun, Costa Esmeralda has something for everyone. Beneath the waves lies a vibrant underwater world teeming with life. The Gulf of Mexico is home to an astonishing array of marine species, each contributing to the rich tapestry of this underwater paradise. From the smallest plankton to the largest fish, every creature plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. As you dive deeper, you'll discover a world of wonder that few have the privilege to witness. Coral reefs, home to a kaleidoscope of marine species, paint the ocean floor in hues of orange, purple, and yellow. These vibrant reefs are not only a visual feast, but also a crucial habitat for countless marine organisms. The intricate structures of the coral provide shelter and sustenance for a diverse array of fish, invertebrates, and other sea creatures. Exploring these reefs is like stepping into a living, breathing work of art. Snorkelers and divers can marvel at the intricate details of the coral reefs, coming face to face with curious fish and other marine creatures. The crystal clear waters offer unparalleled visibility, allowing you to fully appreciate the beauty and complexity of this underwater world. Whether you're an experienced diver or a first-time snorkeler, the reefs of Veracruz promise an unforgettable adventure. As the sun sets, the Veracruz coastline transforms into a canvas of breathtaking beauty. The sky is painted with shades of pink, orange, and purple, creating a mesmerizing backdrop for the tranquil waters below. This is the perfect time to take a moment and reflect on the day's adventures as the natural world puts on a spectacular show just for you. The sky erupts in a fiery display of colors, reflected in the tranquil waters below. The vibrant hues dance across the surface, creating a mirror-like effect that is both captivating and serene. It's a sight that will leave you in awe, reminding you of the incredible beauty that can be found in the natural world. Bioluminescent plankton illuminate the waves, creating an ethereal glow along the shoreline. These tiny organisms emit a soft blue light when disturbed, turning the ocean into a magical glowing wonderland. Walking along the beach at night, you'll feel as though you've stepped into a dream, with the waves sparkling like stars beneath your feet. Veracruz's coastline is a treasure trove of natural beauty, offering something for everyone. From the sun-drenched beaches to the vibrant underwater world, every corner of this marine wonderland is waiting to be explored. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply a chance to connect with nature, Veracruz has it all. So come and discover the magic of this incredible destination, where the beauty of the ocean meets the charm of the shore.
We leave the coast and venture inland to the emerald embrace of Veracruz's tropical rainforests. In the Sierra de los Tuxtlas region, nature's grandeur reaches new heights. The rainforest canopy filters sunlight, casting the forest floor in a mosaic of light and shadow. Life teems within this emerald labyrinth, from colorful orchids to butterflies. The rainforest is home to some of Mexico's most elusive creatures, like the jaguar and howler monkeys. The rainforest is a sensory overload, a place of mystery and wonder, but it is also a fragile ecosystem, vulnerable to deforestation and climate change. Join us as we delve deeper into the rainforest, encountering its fascinating inhabitants.
We ascend into the cooler air of the Sierra Madre de Veracruz. This majestic mountain range forms a formidable spine down the eastern side of Mexico. As we ascend, the landscape transforms dramatically from rainforests to cloud forests. The Sierra Madre de Veracruz is a hiker's paradise, offering breathtaking views. From the summit of Cofre de Perote, we see the Gulf of Mexico and forested hills. The mountains are home to wildlife adapted to cooler temperatures like band-tailed pigeons and white-tailed deer. The Sierra Madre de Veracruz is also home to small villages where traditional ways of life endure. Here people live in harmony with nature. The pace of life is slower and more deliberate.
The journey through Veracruz's diverse landscapes leads us to its majestic waterfalls. These natural wonders are scattered across the region, each offering a unique spectacle that captivates the senses. As we traverse through the dense jungles and rugged terrains, the sound of rushing water grows louder, guiding us to these hidden gems. Hidden within lush vegetation, these cascading torrents of water are a testament to nature's raw power and beauty. The lush greenery surrounding the waterfalls creates a serene and almost mystical atmosphere, making each visit feel like a journey into an untouched paradise. The air is filled with the scent of wet earth and blooming flowers, adding to the sensory experience. Our first encounter is with La Gloria, a waterfall that seems to tumble from the heavens. Standing before it, one can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. The water cascades down with such force and grace, creating a mesmerizing display that leaves a lasting impression. The mist from the waterfall cools the air, providing a refreshing respite from the tropical heat. The sight is breathtaking, a sheer wall of water plummeting into a pool below. This natural pool is a perfect spot for a refreshing swim, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the cool, clear waters. The pool's tranquil surface contrasts beautifully with the powerful cascade above, creating a harmonious balance between calm and chaos. El Encanto offers a different charm, with water cascading down rocky steps. Each tier of the waterfall presents a new perspective, revealing the intricate patterns carved by the flowing water over time. The sound of the water gently cascading down the rocks is soothing, creating a peaceful ambience that invites relaxation and contemplation. These waterfalls are vibrant ecosystems supporting unique plant life and aquatic creatures. The surrounding flora includes a variety of orchids and bromeliads, adding splashes of color to the verdant landscape. The waterfalls also provide a habitat for numerous species of fish and insects, making them vital to the local biodiversity. For the adventurous, climbing to the top of La Gloria offers a panoramic view of the surrounding rainforest. The climb is challenging but rewarding, with each step revealing more of the breathtaking scenery. From the top, the vast expanse of the rainforest stretches out before you, a sea of green that seems to go on forever. It's a perspective that few get to experience, making it all the more special. Whether admired from afar or up close, the waterfalls of Veracruz are a reminder of nature's power and beauty. From a distance, they appear as delicate threads of silver weaving through the landscape. Up close, their true majesty is revealed, with every drop of water contributing to the grand spectacle. Each visit offers a new appreciation for the natural world and its wonders. They are places of peace and tranquility where we can reconnect with nature. The gentle sound of water flowing, the cool breeze and the lush surroundings create a perfect setting for reflection and relaxation. These waterfalls are not just natural attractions. They are sanctuaries where one can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and find solace in the beauty of the natural world.
Guardians of Biodiversity, Veracruz's Biosphere Reserves. Our exploration takes us to the heart of Veracruz's Biosphere Reserves, where nature reigns supreme. These reserves are not just patches of protected land. They are living, breathing entities that play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance. The lush greenery, the dense canopies, and the vibrant flora and fauna create a mesmerizing tapestry of life that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. These sanctuaries are havens for wildlife and testaments to the power of conservation. Here, species that are endangered or threatened find refuge and a chance to thrive. The reserves are meticulously managed to ensure that the delicate balance of these ecosystems is maintained, providing a safe haven for countless species. The volcanoes of the Eastern Sierra Madre Biosphere Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, showcases a tapestry of ecosystems. From the towering volcanic peaks to the lush valleys below, this reserve is a microcosm of the natural world's diversity. The volcanic soil enriches the land, fostering a unique array of plant and animal life that is found nowhere else on Earth. In the Los Tuxtlas Biosphere Reserve, we witness a variety of habitats, from tropical rainforests to mangroves. This reserve is a living laboratory where scientists study the interactions between different species and their environments. The mangroves, with their intricate root systems, play a vital role in protecting the coastline from erosion and providing a nursery for marine life. These reserves are havens for migratory birds and endangered species like the jaguar. The jaguar, a symbol of strength and mystery, roams these lands, a testament to the success of conservation efforts. Migratory birds traveling thousands of miles find rest and sustenance here, highlighting the global importance of these reserves. Venturing into these reserves is like stepping back in time, into a world untouched by man. The pristine landscapes offer a glimpse into what the world might have looked like before human intervention. The air is purer, the water clearer, and the sounds of nature more vibrant, creating an immersive experience that is both peaceful and invigorating. Scientists and conservationists study these unique ecosystems to develop strategies for protection. Their work is crucial in understanding how these ecosystems function and how best to preserve them for future generations. Through their research, we gain insights into the complex web of life that sustains our planet. The biosphere reserves of Veracruz remind us that we are part of nature. They teach us the importance of coexistence and the need to protect our natural heritage. These reserves are not just places of beauty, they are vital to the health of our planet. By protecting these areas, we ensure the health of our planet and future generations. Conservation efforts here are a beacon of hope, showing that with dedication and care, we can make a difference. The future of our planet depends on the actions we take today, and Veracruz's biosphere reserves are a shining example of what is possible.
Liquid highways of life, Veracruz's rivers and lakes. Our journey leads us to Veracruz's intricate network of rivers and lakes. These waterways are vital arteries that sustain a rich tapestry of life. The mighty Panuco River serves as a vital waterway for both wildlife and people. Lake Catemaco offers a serene contrast, with its still waters reflecting the surrounding rainforest. These rivers and lakes are home to a dazzling array of wildlife, from crocodiles to herons. But these waterways face increasing pressure from human activity. Pollution, deforestation, and climate change are taking their toll. It is our responsibility to protect these vital ecosystems for future generations.
Veracruz, a birdwatcher's paradise. Our final chapter takes us to the skies, following the flight paths of spectacular birds. Veracruz is a paradise for birdwatchers, offering a symphony of colors and calls. At Laguna de Santa Comapan, thousands of birds take flight as the sun rises. Flocks of pink flamingos create a breathtaking spectacle. In the Los Tuxtlas region, we are surrounded by a cacophony of birdsong. Toucans and hummingbirds add vibrant colors to the landscape. The monarch butterfly's migration is an unforgettable experience. By protecting Veracruz's diverse habitats, we ensure the health of our planet and future generations.
Until next time, Veracruz. Veracruz is a nature lover's paradise, offering everything from beaches to mountains, rainforests to rivers. Its diverse ecosystems are teeming with life, from the smallest insects to the largest predators. Have you been there, or are you planning to visit? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going about this remarkable corner of the world.